Hi, my love. Welcome back to my channel. So, we're learning how to remove this label from your Ankara print. All you need is a cotton and your iron. So, you just place a cotton pieces on top of the Ankara label and you press. So, when you press like for like 10 to 15 minutes. You press in different angles of it for you to get it hot. So when you're done with that, just take it off like you see me doing. I'll just go ahead to take off the label. Is quite simple as that. So what I just did, now I'm going to do it on the other side. I'm going to place my piece of cotton fabric on top of my Ankara print and I'm going to press hard on the top of the Ankara print, and afterwards I will just go ahead to take it off. So just do the same thing that you see me doing here. It's not something biggy or difficult for you to do. So this is just it. You just take it off like you see me doing here. And there's one thing that you'll notice after you've done this is like you'll notice that it's gumming a bit, like the residues, the gum is still there. The best way to take that gum out of the fabric is to press again. Like you did in taking off this label, you just do the same thing. So I just try to place my piece of fabric on that part that I took off the label. I'm going to press hard till the gum is out, and that's just it. Bye guys.